So you're such a fighter, you're so strong, and God loves you.
Ang nakakuha ng rank 1 ay ikaw, Josh.
I knew it. That's my son.
Yung discard ko po kanina, kuya, is to make sure that the balls stay still. Kailangan, yun nga, dahan-dahan, slowly but surely talaga, kuya. Hindi ko in-expect na mananalo ako, kuya. Rank 1? Oh my.
A half British and half Filipino, young adult residing here in the Philippines. He is the guy who loves his family more than anything.
Sobrang kaba po talaga, kuya. Kasi you never know kung magkakamali po kayo eh. Kaya it's just gut feeling lang ho talaga and pagbibilang sa utak. Parang yun na rin po yung naging strategy ko.
People call him white boy. People call him kano, Englishero, mayabang, and all those names. But as you can see from the innerwear, he is the pusong Pinoy boy.
And he is Josh Ford.
Just trust myself po talaga and gut feeling. Bilang ko na po talaga sa ulo ko. At may mga palatandaan na po ako na komportable ako sa sarili ko. And I was happy with it naman po.
Personality. Oh!
Yes!
Ikaw ang rank 2, Josh.
Yeah!